Maañ, 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 fire, 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 nar, 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 maañ, 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 fire, 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 nar, 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 maañ, 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 fire, 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 nar, 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 nar. Again, we started from African, Sudanese, or Black language, and then we went to English and Arabic. So those are part of languages that I'm studying, that I'm focused on. And this is part of linguistics, how language, arrange or positions the idea, the idea or words, together. So to figure out like what the word is, to induct and deduct. And that's the same in all languages, all languages are the same. And that's why, I'm here to make it clear about, languages, about linguistics. And this is what is my goal, just to focus on 3 languages, Mabaan, Sudanese, or Black, that you would call it. And we have English and Arabic. And that's it. Please subscribe, and I would appreciate you a lot. Thanks.